Hello. Okay, nice, it works. So today we're doing a follow-up to the connect level order siblings question. Um, so last time it was just for the level, you just connect the next, and then when you're at the end of the level, the dot next points to none, right? But this time we want to point the last node of the level to the first node of the next level. That's the only difference. So yeah, with that being said, we can probably just move forward with the question. Um, so we'll start off with our base condition. Basically, if we don't want to, oh wait, that was my old terminal stuff. We can ignore that. Okay, basically, if the root is none, so if it is none, none knotted would be true, so then we would just end up returning here. And then so like every other level order traversal, we do, or breadth first search, we do a queue with the Python dequeue class queue.append root, because we already know that root is not none, because of that here. And so we'll have a previous and a current both initialized to none. And so while the length of queue does not equal to 0, what we're going to do is current is equal to queue.pop left, because we want a first in, first out type of strategy. If previous, then we do previous.next is equal to current. And so previous, the only time it should be none is at the very beginning here, because right afterward we're going to make previous equal to current. And then now we just have to find if the current node we're looking at has children. So if current.next, which just means if it is not none, then we do not next, sorry, left. If current.left, because it's just the reverse logic of this, right? If it's none and we not it, then it'll be true. So if we just put the regular thing, and if it is there, then it will be true as well. Oops, forgot the semicolon. Append current.right. And yeah, and at the very end we'll just return. And then we should be good. Don't know if I explained that well enough. It's just while we have nodes that we still need to set the dot next for, because we're doing it kind of differently from the one yesterday. Yesterday we took the current node and we made the dot next the next thing in the queue. Since we're setting dot next after we look at the node, so basically the previous is the one that we're setting the dot next to, right? So while we're looking at the root, which is the first iteration, well, I mean, I guess the first iteration doesn't really work, right? So once we're looking at 7, then we'll be setting the dot next for 12, because previous would equal to 12 here, and then when we go here, then the 12 dot next would be 7. So then we'll be setting the dot next after the fact that we look at it, right? So it's a little bit different from what we did yesterday for connect level order siblings. And yeah, we just add the children and then we'll be good. So if we were to run Python file in terminal, we see 12, 7, 1, 9, 10, 5, and there's nothing afterward because, well, there's no nodes there. With that being said, that is it for today's video. It was a quick little short one, and thank you for watching.